Hello, how do we find the value of x in this mass expression? We are asked to solve for the value of x from here. To solve this expression, I want you to recall the laws of indices. From indices, we know that the square root of a can be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by 2, right? And 49 can be broken down into 7 square. So we can simplify that expression. From that expression now, we can have a 7 to be to the power of 1 divided by 2, and this will be all to the square root of 24 minus square root of x, and this will be equal to 7 to the power of 2. Now you see we have same base, and since we have same base, the exponents or the power will equate. So we'll have 1 divided by 2 multiplying the square root of 24 minus the square root of x, right? And this will be equal to 2. Now we have to simplify this. To simplify this, we have to simply multiply both sides by 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 2, multiplying the square root of 24 minus the square root of s. This will be equal to 2 multiplying 2. So what do we have? 2 is going to cancel out 2, and then we'll have the square root of 24 minus the square root of x to be equal to 4. In the next step, we are going to take the square of both sides. So if we take the square of both sides, we'll have the square of the square root of 24 minus the square root of x all squared, and this will be equal to 4 all squared. Now if we simplify this, we're going to have square root cancelling out the square, and then we'll be left with 24 minus the square root of x, which is simply equal to 4 square, that is 16. Now in this next step, we're going to simplify, and to simplify this, we're going to subtract 24 from both sides. So this is going to give us 24 minus the square root of x minus 24, and this will be equal to 16 minus 24, right? From here you see that 24 will have to cancel out 24, and if that happens, we're going to have the negative square root of x to be equal to negative 8, because 16 minus 24 is going to give us negative 8. While negative cancel out negative, we'll have the square root of x to be equal to 8. Now to find the value of x, we are going to take the square of both sides. So if we take the square of both sides, we'll have that expression to now give us this equal to 8 what? 8 square. While square root cancel out square, the value of our x will be equal to 8 square is 64. And that is the solution to this mass expression given to us here. So we can check to see if the solution is actually right. Remember the initial question, we're given the value of square root of 7 to the power of the square root of 24 minus the square root of x. Now if we insert the value of x equal to 64 in that expression, are we going to find the value 49? Let's find out. From that expression, we'll have the square root of 7 to the power of the square root of 24 minus square root of 64. Now, is this going to give us 49? Let's find out. This is going to give us the square root of 7 square root of to the power of 24 minus the square root of 64 is going to give us 8, right? And this, will it give us 49? Now let's look at that. 28 minus 25 is going to give us 16. So we're going to have the square root of 7 to the power of square root of 16. And this will be equal to, is it going to give us 49? Square root of 16 is 4, so we'll have a 7 to the power of 1 divided by 2 according to the law of indices, multiplying 4. Will it give us 47, 49? From here, you'll see that 2 will cancel out 4 to give us 2, and then we'll have a 7 to the power of 2. Is it equal to 49? Of course, yes, it is 49. So if we simplify that, you find out that 49 is equal to 49. And that simply tells us that the value of x, which is 64, is the right solution for that math expression given to us up there. So you see, it's very easy. If you did enjoy watching this math solution, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.